How should you be using ChatGPT and AI in your marketing? This is the hot topic of 2024. My name is Dr. Jennifer Gardella, and I am going to be one of the few people that tells you to cut it out. So there's a full blog post that I will link in the description. The blog post is available at thegardellagroup.com on our blog. But I wanted to chime in here and just share for those of you who like the video experience better to stop it. So ChatGPT is great for a few things, which I will get to at the bottom at the end of this post and this video. Let's go over the problems though. First, ChatGPT doesn't give you any new ideas. And what does Google love and your ideal clients love? Fresh new content. Also, ChatGPT can't get into the mind of your ideal client like you can or like I can as a writer for you. I do extensive research. You have extensive experience with your ideal client in the real world. ChatGPT doesn't have that. So it misses the emotion. Now, when I first heard last year about rumblings with the benefits of ChatGPT, I remember thinking to myself, whoa, wait, I'm going to look into my marketing crystal ball here about a year. Google is going to hate this. Why is Google going to hate this? Because Google doesn't like inauthenticity. Now, everyone out there will tell you that Google is using AI in a lot of its search capabilities. That is true. But Google doesn't want you filling your website with garbage AI content. That is the difference. And what has Google just recently come out and said in March? That it's going to discount all AI generated content. I knew this a year ago and I was very skeptical of it. And it's actually coming true today. So Google is discounting the content. If you're using AI to create videos, those videos are completely bogus. The only caveat I will say here is for people who absolutely hate to be on screen and you want to do a cute little video where you tell AI the actions you want a character to take, and maybe it's your voice on the video. But honestly, your ideal clients want to see you on video. They don't want another robot telling them what you should be telling them. Images created with AI are dangerous. Now, yes, images created with AI certainly have their place, believe it or not, if you want to do something crazy, right? I've done AI generated images for some clients showing growth in a very unusual business. And I put the business in the middle and growth tables, and it was explosive and great. The problem, though, is that businesses are getting sued when they use AI to generate pictures of their products for products that don't look like the pictures. It's called false advertising. People really don't like it. AI is also filled with bad information. The internet is filled with bad information, and AI can't distinguish that. And lastly, I'll share this. AI is filled with plagiarism. So the content that AI writes, AI has no idea when it goes out there and writes things for you, whether what it's finding on the internet is correct and whether it should be in your writing. So now you're probably wondering, Jen, great list, but what do we do? How do we use it? Use AI in your marketing to get you started. So a couple of things that I do. I will make a video just like this that I'm doing on YouTube. I'll download the transcription into AI and have AI clean it up in a outline only format. I can then use that outline format to write in my own original thoughts. You can also use, if you're going to not go the video first, you can also use AI for content generation ideas. It's brilliant for that. However, so what you do is you go in and you tell AI exactly who you are, and then who your ideal client is, what you're writing, and then it says outline a blog for me of 10 posts, 10 ideas, and it will give you your 10 points. You maybe then will take a couple of them. You don't take all of them. You heavily research or you edit for what you know to be true, and then you write your own unique spin to it. What else is AI great for? Well, it is great for summarizing things. It's awesome for taking a blog post that you already have and maybe summarizing the main points for a PowerPoint presentation. Can be very, very useful. Beyond that, don't trust it. Everybody is watching. The information is false. The information is inauthentic. I know this is not the popular opinion, but This is what I'm here to tell you is the truth. If you have any questions at all, please go to my website, the Gardella Group, and you can book a call with me and we can chat about your digital marketing presence and how you need to make it authentic. Thanks so much for listening. Bye-bye.